Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Fish oil supplies the omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA. Start by targeting 1,000 mg to 3,000 mg of combined EPA plus DHA daily, depending on your goals and clinician guidance. Look for bottles that list EPA and DHA milligrams per capsule. A capsule providing 500 mg to 1,000 mg EPA plus DHA makes dosing simpler. Take fish oil with a meal containing fat to improve absorption and reduce fishy aftertaste. And store bottles in a cool, dark place or refrigerate after opening to slow oxidation and preserve potency. Select a multivitamin formulated for your age and sex that supplies 100% of most B vitamins and usually 400 IU to 800 IU vitamin D, unless a provider prescribes different amounts. Take your multivitamin with breakfast to pair it with food, which enhances absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and lowers stomach upset. If your multivitamin contains iron, be mindful that calcium can inhibit iron absorption. Avoid taking calcium doses over 500 mg at the same time if you need maximum iron uptake from the supplement. Consider interactions and safety. If you use blood thinners or have bleeding disorders, consult your provider before exceeding 1,000 mg daily of EPA plus DHA because higher doses can increase bleeding risk. Watch for common side effects like gastrointestinal upset, belching, or fishy breath. Reduce the dose or split fish oil into 2 daily servings and take with meals to minimize symptoms. Store multivitamins and fish oil in a cool, dark place. Refrigerate fish oil when recommended and discard any fish oil capsules past their expiration date to avoid rancidity.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.